there friends, long time no see, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to make a little video celebrating 7 years of Baker Girl Steph. We hit this milestone back in April and it's been a while for me since I've recorded something. So I thought I'd jump here, do a little recap of everything we've made for the last 7 years to celebrate the channel. I've missed you all so much. I hope to get more content up this year. Things have just been so crazy, and taking that 2-year hiatus from baking has definitely been so nice for me. Of course, you guys always got all my Christmas videos and stuff, my 12 days of baked goods, which I will be doing again this year. And I hope to get some good Halloween and fall treats out for you all. And I do also want to include some anime manga inspired treats. I have done some in the past and I want to try to include some more now. I will be also redoing some popular treats like my vanilla cake recipe and sugar cookies, some of my most watched videos. I want to kind of just give them a new look and update the recipe since it has been 7 years since I uploaded most of the videos. A big thank you to all of you who have subscribed, commented, liked, who have been here supporting me throughout all this time. I really appreciate it so much. Now let's go down memory lane. Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a rainbow pastel cake. And there's the cake. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to suggest something, put a comment down below and let me know what you'd like me to make. And go ahead and subscribe so you can stay up to date with what I post. Thank you. Stay sweet. Hey there. Today we're going to be making some rainbow donuts. And this is kind of in celebration because I have reached 1 year on YouTube. Wait, 1 year on YouTube. Let's get what we need. All right, and here are the rainbow donuts. These smell so good and they look so pretty. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see some more videos that I post, hit the subscribe button so you can keep up to date with all my videos. And I want to say thank you so much everyone that has stayed and subscribed to my channel and has enjoyed watching all my videos, all your comments, all your likes and everything. It means so much. Even the dislikes, because you know, you gotta have those dislikes too. So thank you very much, and here's to another year. Stay sweet. Hey there, today's a special video. It is my 2 years on YouTube video. 2 years ago, I uploaded a pastel rainbow cake with an ombre frosting on it. My videos have changed a lot since my first video. And I want to say thank you to everyone that has subscribed and have stayed around, liking, commenting, sharing, everything. It just means so much to me that you guys are still here and that you guys enjoy my recipes. Last year I did a rainbow donut, so I thought I'd incorporate both of those recipes, both a rainbow cake and rainbow donut, and I made a large triple rainbow cupcake. If you enjoyed the recipe, give it a thumbs up, and as always, stay sweet. Hey there! Today's video is going to be a special one. Today we are celebrating 3 years on YouTube. If you've seen my first video, I did a pastel rainbow cake, and I thought why not try to recreate it with more vibrant neon colors. So this year we're going to be doing a quadruple rainbow. We're doing rainbow cake, rainbow frosting inside, rainbow outside, and a rainbow fondant topping on here. And here's a look inside the cake so you can see all the rainbow all at once. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Once again, thank you everyone for everything, for the support, for the love you all have shared with me. It means so much to me. And until next time, stay sweet. Hey there! Today we're going to be celebrating 4 years on YouTube. And as tradition goes, I will be making something rainbow themed. We're going to be making a tiered rainbow cake. It's going to be a marble rainbow inside both cakes. Some buttercream, some rainbow buttercream. I absolutely love how this cake turned out. I want to say thank you to everyone that has supported me throughout these years, that have watched my videos, commented, liked, subscribed, shared, done everything. You all mean so much to me, and I'm forever grateful for your support. Now let's get started on this cake. And then I'll give you a look inside so you can see all 5 of these rainbows together. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Again, thank you so much for your support, and I hope you enjoyed seeing me put 5 rainbows in 1 cake. And until next time, stay sweet. Hey there! Today's video is going to be a very special one. We are celebrating 6 years on YouTube. Every year I make a rainbow themed treat to celebrate the first upload, which was a pastel rainbow cake. So today we're going to be trying to recreate that first cake that I made. I want to say thank you to each and every one of you that have subscribed, liked, commented, or interacted with the community. It means so much to me that you guys have all been here supporting everything I've done, and I hope you've enjoyed all the recipes I've shared. Now let's get started on this rainbow cake. And here is that pastel ombre rainbow cake. Again, I want to say thank you for all the support you guys have given me. I hope you enjoyed this video so much. It was absolutely so fun to recreate this. Until next time, stay sweet. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did and was able to just enjoy seeing the change of pastries throughout the years of all the baked goods that I've shared. As well, if you want to stay subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button down below. If you want to recommend something, leave it in the comments. If you want to share something with me, leave it in the comments as well. I always enjoy hearing your stories when you use my recipes. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And until next time, stay sweet.